If you want your curls to bounce back to life, then baby, just keep watching. Let's shampoo this dry, dusty hair using Remilia. I absolutely love this stuff. As you can see, my hair is totally dusty and crusty. Let's get into it. So, of course, you want to wet your hair and make sure it's nice and saturated. My hair is natural, so it's going to curl up in a bit. But this stuff, it smells amazing. You're going to see. Scrub-a-dub-dub in that tub, baby, yes. I told y'all it smelled good. Just in case y'all didn't believe me, it is amazing. It is like truly what it says it is, goddess. It's so good. But anyways, it does have green tea extract, which will dry your hair out a little bit, so make sure you replenish your oils in your hair after you're done. But baby, when I say my hair got clean, I was so happy. It was so clean and it smelled delicious, honey. Now let's move on to the conditioner. Baby, you can never have enough conditioner, okay? I like to lather that thing up starting in the back, and look how smooth it glides through. Like, I was impressed. I was like, okay, this is one for the books, baby. So if this is something that you're interested in to stop breakage and dry damaged hair, then you already know what to do. Bye. Once I'm done shampooing and conditioning using Remilia, I like to go in with Remilia's green cocoa mask, which smells delicious, y'all. So I absolutely love this. I already dipped my fingers in it once. And I was like, let me put some more, baby, because you could never have enough deep conditioning, okay? This is for dry, damaged hair. And look at my curls. They are bouncing back to life, honey, because they was looking crazy in the beginning. Now it's time to let that deep conditioning mask do the magic for 5 minutes or 10. But yes, back to this deep conditioning. It left my hair feeling really silky and smooth, and I absolutely love that. So yes, honey, this is the finished result. My hair is squeaky clean. Everything is luxurious, and I'm here for it. So I hope this helped. Bye.